Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to explain features and specifications of Mac Mini M5. The 2025 Apple Mac Mini M5 is shaping up to be a true game changer in the world of compact desktops. Blending power, efficiency, and a sleek minimalist design, the upcoming Mac Mini M5 isn't just a refresh. It's a redefinition of what a mini desktop can be. In this in-depth review, we'll explore everything from design changes and performance enhancements to the integration of the new Apple M5 chip, expected macOS features, pricing, and much more. If you're a tech enthusiast, creative professional, developer, or just someone exploring Apple's desktop lineup, this comprehensive video will answer all your questions about the Mac Mini M5 2025 edition. A brief history since its introduction in 2005. The Mac Mini has stood out as Apple's most versatile and budget-friendly desktop solution. Over the years, it has gone through numerous transformations, from Intel processors to the introduction of Apple Silicon with the M1, followed by M2 and M2 Pro. Each generation brought notable performance boosts and efficiency gains. Now, the Mac Mini M5 2025 is expected to raise the bar once again, becoming Apple's most powerful and efficient compact desktop ever. The Mac Mini has always served a dual purpose: an affordable entry point for new users and a dependable secondary workstation for professionals. With the rumored power of the M5 chip, this desktop is poised to satisfy both markets. And in the evolution of design, while previous Mac Mini models retained a familiar form factor, Apple is rumored to introduce subtle yet meaningful design refinements in the Mac Mini M5 2025 refined chassis. A slightly smaller footprint with milled aluminum edges for better heat dissipation and a sleeker aesthetic. New colors. For the first time, expect color variants such as midnight blue, starlight, and a long-rumored space black following the trend of recent MacBook and iMac refreshes. Sustainable materials. Apple is continuing its push toward environmental sustainability with 100% recycled aluminum, rare earth magnets, and energy-efficient internals, improved thermal layout, optimized fanless or semi-active cooling, allowing for better heat management during high-performance tasks like video editing and app development. This isn't just a Mac Mini, it's an environmentally conscious, design-forward desktop experience. The beast within the M5 chip, the heart of the Mac Mini M5, is the Apple M5 chip, fabricated on TSMC's cutting-edge 3nm process node. The shift to 3nm architecture means significantly improved performance per watt, thermal efficiency, and silicon density. CPU specs, up to 12 high-efficiency and high-performance cores. Expect blazing fast single-core performance and exceptional multi-core workloads. GPU power integrated GPU with up to 18 cores, now supporting real-time ray tracing and external GPU options via Thunderbolt 5. Neural Engine, a powerful 24-core neural engine delivering over 30 trillion operations per second, enhancing AI tasks, machine learning models, and real-time image/video processing. Unified memory starts at 16 GB, configurable up to 64 GB for Pro variants. Apple's unified memory architecture enables ultra-fast communication between CPU, GPU, and Neural Engine. With the M5, Apple is blurring the lines between compact desktop and workstation. Storage and performance. Storage performance is critical for modern workflows. The Mac Mini M5 doesn't disappoint. Base storage: 512 GB NVMe SSD with ultra-high sequential read/write speeds. Upgrade options configurable up to 2 TB for standard models and up to 8 TB in future Pro models. Storage interface: Apple's proprietary NVMe over PCIe 5.0 architecture ensures lightning-fast responsiveness. Real-world tasks: video rendering, high-resolution photo editing, code compilation, and virtual machine hosting are not just possible. They're effortless. macOS 15 and software optimization. Paired with macOS 15, the Mac Mini M5 offers unparalleled software integration. Universal Control 2.0, seamless transitions across Mac, iPad, and iPhone with a single keyboard and mouse. Stage Manager enhancements redesigned multi-window experience optimized for desktop workflows. M5 Secure Enclave Next-Gen Security Architecture with biometric encryption and private on-device machine learning. Optimized Pro apps, Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro X, and Xcode fully re-engineered for M5 performance at Apple's. Vertical integration of hardware and software continues to be a key advantage. Performance benchmarks based on leaked Geekbench and internal testing single-core, 20 to 30% faster than M2 multi-core, up to 45% faster rendering and compiling speeds. GPU tests, 50% faster real-time 3D rendering, 4K per 8K encoding, and machine learning inference. Gaming and development workflows are no longer limited by form factor. Expect buttery smooth performance in DaVinci Resolve, Unreal Engine, TensorFlow, and more. Who should buy it? The Mac Mini M5 caters to a wide audience. Developers. Xcode and Docker run faster than ever. Creators 4K video editing, color grading, and 3D animation with zero lag. Students. Affordable and compact for dorm desks, perfect for research and media creation. Professionals' ideal secondary workstation or full desktop replacement. Whether you're switching from Intel or upgrading from M1/M2, the M5 offers significant gains. Pricing and release date. According to industry insiders, base model $599, M5 Pro variant starts at $1,399. Pre-orders expected in late October 2025. Release date, early November 2025. Announcement event anticipated at a dedicated Apple Silicon keynote. Given its performance-to-price ratio, the Mac Mini M5 might be one of Apple's best values ever. Final verdict, the Mac Mini M5 isn't just another minor update. It's a massive leap forward. Apple has taken everything people love about the Mac Mini and upgraded it in nearly every way. Sleeker, more sustainable design, ultra-powerful Apple M5 chip, robust connectivity, and blazing fast storage, deep macOS integration. Whether you're editing high-res videos, writing code, training machine learning models, or just want a powerful desktop that fits in the palm of your hand, the Mac Mini M5 2025 is a top-tier choice. What do you think about the upcoming Mac Mini M5? Is it on your radar for your next upgrade? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you stay updated on all things Apple M5, Apple Silicon, and the latest in tech. This has been your ultimate guide to the Mac Mini M5, the compact powerhouse of 2025.